Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic of organic chemistry, class 11, the first chapter, some basic principles and techniques. Okay. So before we will study the basic of organic chemistry. So what is organic chemistry? Right? So the organic chemistry is the study of organic compounds. Okay. So in the organic compounds, we are going to study the properties, reactions, structure. Okay, reaction structure and properties. Before going to study the reaction structure and properties, we will see what is organic compounds. Okay, the organic compounds contain carbon almost always which is bonded to another carbon or hydrogen. Like the carbon is bonded with carbon, otherwise the carbon is bonded with the hydrogen. We can tell the organic compounds mainly made up of carbon compounds. Okay, that we will call as the organic compounds. So the carbon having one of the properties that we call as the catenation property. So like the carbon which is bonded with another carbon, the carbon it is bonded with another carbon. It is like a continuation chain. That one of the property we call as the catenation property of the carbon. Okay. So what is the use of organic chemistry? Why we have to study organic chemistry? What is use of organic chemistry? The main thing we are using in the daily life fuels, right? Fuels like petrol, diesel, coal. So it contains what? Carbon. Okay, it contains carbon. So one of the application. And another one, human being. Human being. So a human being, if it is made up of, contains protein, right? The protein it is contains carbon, and so we are using medicine. The medicines also contain carbon and the hydrogen bond, right? So these are the applications of the organic chemistry. Okay, the organic chemistry is nothing but you have to study the organic compounds. The organic compounds mainly the carbon it is bonded with the carbon, otherwise the carbon is bonded with the hydrogen. Mainly it contains carbon compounds. The carbon has one of the unique property that we call as a catenation property. So like carbon it is bonded with the carbon, it is like a continuation chain that we call as a catenation property. What is the application of organic chemistry? I said we are using fuels. The fuels like petrol, diesel, coal. It contains what? Carbon. And human being it contains protein. Protein also it contains carbon and hydrogen. And so we use in the medicine. Okay. So the medicine also it contains carbon compounds. So next we will see the history of organic chemistry. Next we will see the history of organic chemistry. Science of organic chemistry is about 200 years old. Okay, so around 1780 years back, the chemists they divided into two types. One is organic compounds and another one is the inorganic compounds. Okay, the inorganic compounds obtained by minerals and organic compounds is obtained by the plants and the animals. Plants and animals. You can tell the organic compounds is obtained by the living things. Okay. After the one of the scientists, that is the Berzelius, he is a Swedish chemist. He proposed one of the theory that we call as the vital force theory. In this theory, he tells that one of the force which is responsible for the synthesis of the organic compounds, we can't synthesize organic compounds in the lab. Okay, so after the one of the scientists, that is Georg Euler, what he did means he took one of the inorganic compound, that is nothing but ammonium cyanate, that is a NH4CnO4. He did heat and he got the one of the first organic compound, that is nothing but urea. So that's why this the vital force theory is rejected. Actually, the Berzelius, he said, the one of the forces which is responsible for the synthesis of organic compounds. We can't synthesize organic compounds in the lab, but here Fuller, what he did, he took one of the ammonium cyanate, he did the heat and he got the urea. It is one of the first organic compounds in the organic chemistry. After many scientists or the chemists, they came, and one of the scientists, that is a Kolbe, in the year of 1845, he synthesized acetic acid. After the one of the scientists, Barthelot, in the year of 1856, he synthesized methane. These are the organic compounds and it is the history of the organic chemistry. In today's class, whatever we learned, class we discussed organic chemistry, organic compounds, property of carbon, history of organic chemistry. Okay, in the next class and in the next video, we will see some of the property of the carbon. Okay, please comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. We will see in the next video.